Yo, what is good, Savage Squad? Alright, so today we decided to do
a taste test.
So we're doing the taste test. We just got some weird stuff.
So this is what we're gonna start off with. Me and him both got the same one.
Alright, so let me show y'all. We got this thing, it's called Watermelon Sour Patch Kids. Oh, sounds good.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna open it.
Oh, I opened it first.
Twist, easy.
Alright, so it smells good.
Does it smell good? You want to
It
smell?
smells good.
You guys want to smell it?
But I mean,
here you go, smell it.
I don't like the glass smell.
Does it smell good? Tell me in the
Alright.
comments. Here, smell this.
Ready?
Smell good? Let me try some for y'all. Yo, you guys, it's Sour Patch, but this shit sour as fuck. It's nasty.
I mean,
I don't know. It's nasty to me.
the aftertaste is nasty.
I mean, the beginning, like when you first take a sip,
Huh.
it's really good. But when you after, it sits in your throat,
I like that you can close this back.
it tastes
because-
like booty. Like it tastes nasty.
Yeah. So we also got two other drinks. So we got Mountain Dew Tropical Smash, and then we got Mountain Dew Holiday Brew. So we can. Want to try them?
I'll
Which
try
one
this one.
All right. We're both gonna try both of them, but
I like when I open the bottle and hear it. Alright, so I'm gonna try this one.
I'm trying the Holiday Brew.
Hey, Mountain Dew is good. This Mountain Dew is good. Tropical Smash.
Try this.
Try this one. Man, this is
I like
fire.
this one better though.
Man, that's fire. I like that one though. I really
Oh, we
do.
put the lid on the wrong.
That's
Alright,
funny.
so we have 3 bags behind us, and so yeah, my boyfriend's just gonna pick out what
Alright,
he
so
wants to try.
I'm not even gonna look. I'm putting my hands literally right behind. Look, I'm gonna show you the bag. So you think you don't think I'm lying. Look,
Bag.
all the bags are like this. We put them behind our back.
Yeah, he's gonna close his eyes and pick one.
Close my eyes.
And I'm gonna make sure he grabs one.
And I'm gonna pick one.
Alright, so
And
that's the first thing.
I picked this randomly. So it says peanut.
Marzipan.
Marzipan.
See, we don't. If we do this wrong, I'm sorry. It's just we're trying.
Oh
You wanna-
God.
Let's just eat one because
nasty.
I don't want to have a mess. And I heard that they're really crummy. So. Oh.
Oh my God. Y'all saw that? I literally went to open the socket and it just boom.
This is what it is. All right.
Literally, it just went. It
This
the
is
camera and everything.
very-
Y'all saw that? At least you guys felt it. It was like 3D.
My boyfriend doesn't like peanut butter, and I don't think he's gonna like this.
No. At least it was 3D
He has to
for you
taste
guys.
it though. That's one thing. There's one rule you have to taste it. It's
Yeah, but
very
at least it was 3D. You know, you feel me? So it just popped out of nowhere.
Can
and
you
then
not spill it, please?
kaboom! It's not gonna spill.
It's crumbs.
Well, I'm not gonna spill it.
Just take a piece.
Yes or no? I'm gonna take a piece. Oh my God! It's nasty.
Okay, I'm gonna try a little piece.
It tastes like ass. That is nasty.
It's good.
Crazy as fuck.
Reminds me of Butterfingers.
Oh
Oh yeah. My turn. Ready?
It's nasty.
You can look. You can look, babe, but I can't.
I'm gonna taste. Let me get some of this Mountain Dew real quick. A little bit of it.
We're gonna try this Pulparindo.
Oh God.
Okay? So it's supposed to be hot and salted tamarind pulp candy. So
Alright, well, I'll let you know how it tastes.
we're just gonna eat one.
It's gonna taste like ass though, I have a feeling. We just grab random names that we don't even know what it's called. Oh shit, that smells spicy.
Alright.
It smells like ass.
Do you guys see that salt?
That was a big ass piece. I'm gonna take a small one.
It's good. It's salty a little bit, but I like it.
Hell no. She be liking some weird ass shit.
It's good to me.
My
Muffin turn. Right here.
Alright. I picked sweet plantain chips. And it has some weird name on it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try it.
I actually like that candy.
It smells like rotten bananas. Fuck you mean.
They're like orange.
What the fuck? Oh, that's sweet, ripe plantain, but vegetables.
I'm
I
good.
feel like dying. Who the hell invented this shit? When I bring that ass here, boy.
Alright, my turn.
Whoever like invented this shit, whoever invented this shit, I don't know. They need Jesus.
So I'm not ready for this one. This is what it's called. And it's very hard, and I think it has a nut inside of it. So, don't make it splash.
All right, let's see if we do
I like this candy.
Let's see if we can do a 3D effect this time.
It's very soft, but I like it. So you're over here struggling.
Yeah, cause they be putting these weird, like dumb. They be sealing this hella good. Yeah.
Oh no.
Alright. Let's try it.
Tastes just like that.
Hell no. Who in the
What's
fuck?
inside?
What in the fuck is this?
Oh, I guess it's not hard.
How in the fuck you gonna make this shit make people fucking throw up? What the fuck is this?
I don't like that.
This is some bullshit right here. A ball full
Your
of
turn, babe.
bullshit.
Your turn.
What kind of bullshit is this? God damn fool. God damn fool. Let me pick. Got myself some crisp and thin, oven baked, not fried. Not fried.
Bacon.
Some bacon! Like, that's what she just said. What she said. Some bacon.
Excuse me.
Wait, low key, when you smell this bag, hey, you guys smell it. It smells like fart.
Are you serious?
It probably smells. It smells like ass, but
I like how they fill it up like a lot.
it probably tastes good. So let's try this ass chip.
Oh my god. Tastes like bacon.
Taste like bacon.
Oh my god.
Y'all gotta try some of these. Tastes like bacon. Huh.
What's about fall?
I'll be damned. Tastes like some bacon.
I'll move on one more.
One more. It tastes like bacon.
That's
I
good.
can't get enough of this. Y'all need to try some. Come on, take a piece of this.
Alright. I was just looking for where the bag was. Next, we're trying these things. This one's chocolate. They almost look like a, what is it called?
I don't even know.
A wafer type thing.
True.
So they come like a tray. Like this. Alright.
Let me try one.
They look good. I don't know.
Alright.
They have like, it smells like an ass or something, like a toilet or something. I'm not even sure. I got that bacon taste in my mouth.
Now what in the fuck?
I kind of like it, kind of don't.
For real.
I don't know.
It kind of tastes good, and then it kind of tastes like some cheap, nasty ass chocolate at the same time. I don't know. I'm gonna eat that last piece though. It kind of tastes good.
No, I think it's supposed to eat the bacon.
Probably. This is the best. Tropical Smash. You need to get that Smash Tropical. You're tasting fire.
Your turn, babe. Can't look.
Oh, hell no.
I'm excited for those. Because it says strawberry. Alright.
It says in Spanish, it's pica fresa. So it's in English it's chili covered strawberries.
Yeah, and it looks like this. Yeah, and it says 30 pieces. Like we couldn't just get 2, we had to get 30.
Here's one.
Okay, and they look like
Here's one.
this. Oh yeah, like the strawberries like glued out of it on mine.
Now, who the hell had the idea to put some damn chili and strawberry on the same damn candy? What the hell is this? Y'all need some Jesus in your life. Hell to the nah. I'ma try some of this though.
Mmm, that's good. Go chew it. I good once you start chewing.
Hell to the nah.
It's like that crazy head hair.
Mm-hmm. Oh hell nah. That tastes like ass. Hell to the nah.
Mmm. Alright. So next. Oh, my boyfriend's probably gonna like these. We got these things called Frankies. And they're cornflakes with artificial flavored chocolate coating.
Okay. Kind of taste it. So sounds good. I'll say a freaking taste. I didn't even taste it yet.
So that's what they look like.
Man, give me that back. Man, that tastes good. Tastes good to me.
Alright. We got lots of stuff for later. Your turn.
No peeking. We got some sweet onion on the crispy thing.
Again with the Ritz, just like the bacon ones.
Alright.
And they're
Let's try this.
once again they're oven baked.
It tastes like sweet onion. Because it smells like sweet onion, has to taste like sweet onion.
Excuse me.
Tastes
really
good. Really good. Now that is damn delicious.
Alright. Them?
Y'all let me know if y'all want some of this. Here you go. No? How about no?
My turn. So, I'm gonna pick.
We got one more left for you guys.
There's more.
There's more? Oh, I thought there was one more.
Stuff here too.
My bad.
So, we got Goldfish flavored blast, kick it up, a nacho.
Cool.
Oh, sorry, I was reading the back. How many things do we got left, babe? Count with me.
We got one left. We got dulce de leche. So we got this. We cheated on the last one, but we got this and the one that she pulled out.
So it smells like regular goldfish.
We're gonna try some. Let's see if I don't die. Alright. This is how it looks. I'ma try it. That tastes good to me. Alright. Sorry with that. Time to try some dulce de leche. Alright.
This one has the thing on it. I get this.
Whoever made this,
I'm probably not gonna like this, to be honest.
girl, whoever made this, if it tastes like ass, good ahead.
Oh my god, it smells good.
Well, never mind. It smells good. Well, let's see.
You want both of them?
No.